Hello, this is Nicole, and I just got these little Peeps with a little Peep plush for Easter. I think it's coming up. If it's not coming up, then it's, Irish, I forgot what it was called actually, but let's dig in. Okay. You know what? Never mind, I'll just do it the normal way. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it through here, and here's the little plush. A little while before I cut this little tag off, just a little while before. There's just a little thing right here now, but it's really fluffy and really soft. It's got a little thing right here. We'll get in.
Tell them that I made the same video. So check out.
Here are the Peeps. This one is good. Whoa, this one is mentally deformed. I had to say it like that. Okay. So these are the Peeps that I got, and I heard that if you put them in the microwave for a couple of minutes, it will get bigger. So I'm gonna test that out in a few seconds. We made it to the kitchen, so I'm gonna put one of these Peeps in the microwave and see what happens for a couple of minutes.
No, yeah, you're gonna wait till
one.
Okay, so we're back. My parents had to do something because they were using this, and so I'm gonna put this in there and set it for a minute.
What are you putting in there?
A Peep.
An Easter peep?
Yeah, Easter Peep.
Start.
I'm gonna pause it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing get big.
Expanding.
See? Yeah, it's getting bigger. Timmy, grab a chair.
No,
See,
I
it's getting bigger.
Oh my goodness!
Oh man.
That thing is ginormous now.
Okay, that's about as big as it's gonna get. Now it's just gonna shrink up hard. Open it and film
Okay,
it. Film it. Open and film.
That thing was
Okay, so now it just got bigger, so I'm gonna bring
Careful,
this
it's
out.
super hot like molten lava inside.
Yeah, it is.
Very, very hot.
Here, Kimmy.
Wow, this popped up. Now it's getting smaller again.
hot and it's sticky.
It smells like chocolate.
Yeah, it does.
It will stick to your skin, feel your skin, and you can't get it off.
Here, let me see. It's already cooled down.
Yeah, we can eat it. We can eat it.
Okay.
Taste test.
Taste test.
Mama's gonna taste it.
Okay.
Want a video?
Give
it?
me video.
Mom's gonna eat it.
Is it good?
Come on, tell us.
It tastes like a toasted marshmallow peep.
I'm gonna try it now.
It's a little hard, like a rock.
I wanna taste it. I wanna taste it.
You can
I
probably
wanna taste it. I wanna taste it before you do.
Here, I'll give you your own spoon.
Okay. What does it taste like?
Yeah, same thing that Mom
Hard
said.
as a rock, marshmallow treat.
Okay, I'm gonna. You videotape me, Mom. Ugh. I'm trying to get a piece of it.
You can use your fingers now.
Okay. That's hard as a rock to grab it.
Here, I'll take every.